Welcome to the Virtual Strategic Solutions Virtual Reality Simulation System. Accessing legacy dataset. Files loaded, simulation ready. Located in Virginia, this RobCo Industries facility was the primary employer of Watoga's residents, many of whom commuted via the Appalachian monorail system. With its terminus at the research facility, RobCo aspired to develop the technologies underpinning Watoga and to work on other joint research projects with regional and national powerhouses like Hornwright Industrial and General Atomics International. The voice of Watoga and MAIA AIs were developed at the facility, alongside military prototypes. It also developed further variants of the Mr. Handy line, including torture robots, improved interrogation in company speak. A large part of the facility was also dedicated to the investigation and manufacturing of robo-brains. At some point, the Encephalon Extraction Program was created by Dr. Dorothea Diaz and approved by RobCo, even with the opposition of the ethics department. This project ensured that the entire research team of the facility would have their brains scooped and suspended in a biomedical solution that would keep their cognitive functions intact and ready to be used for several lifetimes. So many complaints were reported to management that the report database overloaded. The company also decided to hold company tours for pioneer scouts and their parents, led by one particularly disgruntled researcher, Dr. Clara Song, who took advantage of the matter by showing them parts of the building not meant to be seen in an attempt to get her superior fired. By the year 2103, the facility was used by a vault dweller from Vault 76, aided by United States Army Sergeant Radcliffe, to retrieve several RobCo tools to help get past the defenses in Vault 79, especially several RobCo-built automated turrets. To that end, they had to recover one of the preserved brains from the staff of the facility and install it in a robo-brain to help build the tools for them. Along Route 65, near the northeastern border between the MAIA and the Cranberry Bog, are a couple of RobCo signs and a guard station. From there, a road littered with delivery trucks and guarded by robots leads up to a parking lot. Past this parking lot is both the RobCo Research Center and a walkway that leads to Station 01 of the Appalachian monorail system. The area surrounding the research center is mostly filled with various junk items, with a random plan found in a tool case on the southern side of the property. There are 3 entrances to the main facility, one on the southeastern side, another on the southwestern side, and an elevator entrance that leads down to the robotics technology facility. The first room after entering the southwestern side is the reception area, which has a receptionist terminal that gives some introductory information about RobCo. Past the front desk and up some stairs are 2 doors and an elevator. One door leads to the research wing, while the other goes to facilities management, and the elevator goes to the basement. The 2 wings, however, are not separated and consist of 3 different floors. The first floor is home to the RoboBrain R&D department, where a power armor station is available. The RoboBrain assembly department, which is where the engineering terminal is found, a storage area, and a couple of bathrooms. The second floor is made of various offices, a lab, a kitchen and dining area, 2 exits, and the research labs. In the research labs, there are 2 power armor stations, a weapons workbench, and an elevator that leads to a 3rd exit. The 3rd floor consists entirely of offices, including HR and the quality control office. The basement, accessed via the elevator in the back of the foyer, contains the testing facilities for a custom variant of the flagship Mr. Handy, the Mr. Torturer. A chemistry station can also be found to the left of the elevator. It also has spawn points for a potential bobblehead and a potential magazine, and holds the location's steamer trunk.